Consistency, which makes hard work beat talent. Consistency, which separates the topper from the average. Consistency, which separates 1% from the 99%. But 99% people fail to be consistent in their life. Why people not able to be consistent in their life? What is the root cause of it? Let's dive in the detail. First, they build goals rather than system. Most of the people, when they came over any goal, plan or idea, they just start doing without setting a system for it. What is system? I'm gonna cover this in this video, later part of this video. Second, prioritizing your feelings. When the people feel bad when they are working on their goals, they stop doing that work and get back into the comfort zone. Third, focusing on the result instead of the process. This is the major problem of the 99% of the people. They focus on what, focus on thinking what gonna happen in the future about the results. But the truth here is, in their hand only the action, not the result. So what is the realistic solution of it? First, build the system rather than goal. I'm not saying to you don't set a goal. I'm just saying set a goal, but also build the system for it. What is system? It is an setup or environment that enables you to work on your full potential, like make the most out of your work without getting distracted. Second, focus, like prioritize your action over feeling. Focus on your action rather than your feelings. Not just say it, apply it. Whatever gonna happen to my feeling, I don't care. I gonna do whatever needed to do in every single moment. Third, focus on the process instead of the result. In your life, you have only two options, whether you do the work or not. But the result of your action is not in your hand. Even the Lord Krishna also said about that in Bhagavad Gita. So rather than wasting that energy on future or past, focus on the present. Concentrate that energy on the present. If you are watching this video till the end, I have an important note for you. If you learn to be truly here and now, this moment, you shall be amazed what you can do, how well you can do. That's all for today.